Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Done Crazy Marcus here with another episode of Adventures of Cooking with Marcus. This week I'm going to be making a Thai sweet chili chicken with some wedges. So of course the ingredients: we have got some chicken breast, chicken fillet type things, €4.34, some wedges, like rustic chip type things, should be a nice change, hopefully they cook, and of course our Thai sweet chili sauce. So I'll see you when I've prepared the chicken. Okay, so first things first, going to cut up the chicken into slices, maybe smaller bits, then brown them off in the frying pan. So open the pack first. Just get a bit of chicken out there. It's quite slimy. Then just cut it into small-ish pieces. Okay guys, so just cutting it into sort of strips. Then what I'm going to do is put the gas on and brown it off a bit. Then once I've browned it off, what I'll do is I'll put it into the sauce and just mix it in with the sauce. So it should taste quite delicious, guys. Then I'll also put the veggies in as well, just make sure they cook. Okay, so on my last bit of chicken, then I'll wash my hands again, because I have been handling more meat. So just like keep in mind, always wash your hands after handling more meat. I'm trying not to cut myself either. Hope you're all enjoying the cooking videos as well, and I've done quite a few actually, and I'd have to say my favourite one were probably my homemade garlic meatballs. Comment down below what your favourite one was. Okay guys, so the wedges are in the oven I am hoping that they're going to hopefully cook a lot better than the chips, he says. Probably won't know my luck, but still. Right, we're going to brown the meat off. Then, as that's browned off, put the Thai sweet chilli sauce over it. Then, just hopefully mix it all in, get them flavours, and hope it works. Okay, guys, browning off the meat now. I am going to apologise in advance if you do hear any noise of screaming, banging, or drilling. Our upstairs neighbours are making a bit of noise, as always. So yeah, I do really apologise, guys. Not much I can really do about it, like I could just pause the video and I start making noise, like now, but then it's like, when are they gonna stop making noise? Okay guys, the meat's getting a nice colour to it now. I'm just going to put the stirrer to the side and put the sauce in. Hopefully it's already open. Yes it is. Just sort of make sure I cover most of meat. Yeah, I think that's all the sauce had the bottle. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to mix it into the chicken. I'll see you when it's all cooked. Okay, I believe everything's ready and I'm not entirely too sure. I'm just gonna keep mixing it and hopefully soon we'll be dishing it up for the taste test. Does smell nice actually, and just hope it tastes nice. Okay everyone, time to plate everything up. If I can. Just try to get some wedges out without banging my head. Couple more. There you go. Next plate. Just shove that to the back for a bit. Before I forget, shout out to Sen, one of my fans who absolutely loves my cooking videos apparently, watches them all the time. And as well, shout out to Top Notch. And well, to be quite honest, you know that. Shout out to everyone who supports my channel. Thank you so much everyone for supporting the channel, putting up with me for however long you've been watching the channel. Yeah, thanks for sticking with me through hard times and good times. I really do appreciate everyone. I am just trying to get a few more wedges for everyone. dish up the meat eventually, guys. Okay, so that's done. I will just sort of push that to the side there, get the mixing spoon and hopefully dish everything up. Look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Smells nice as well. And thank God upstairs have kept decently quiet. I think I'll bring that closer to me. Sort it. I'll do it the easiest way. That's that done. Okay, time to take it through to delivery room and give it a try. Okay guys, finally finished. And let me be the first to say it looks absolutely gorgeous.
What have we got today, Marcus?
So today we've got my sort of attempt of a Thai sweet chili chicken and wedges.
Looks nice.
To put it simpler, guys, just a chicken in a Thai sweet chili sauce.
The wedges are nice.
Yeah, the wedges are nice. Wow.
Very nice.
That's actually amazing, guys. The chicken is nice and tender, and you can just taste the sweet chili right away. Absolutely gorgeous. Try a wedgie. Bang on. 10 out of 10 from me.
10 out of 10 for me.
Mad Mike's mouth is watering. Hit the like, guys, hit subscribe, and see you in yet again another episode of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. What will I cook next?